going to discuss PPC and central problems. As central problems, we earlier discussed what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. And PPC also we discussed what is PPC. PPC shows the different combination of production of two goods which can be produced with the help of given resources and given technology. Okay. Now we will discuss PPC and what to produce. So what to produce we have studied. What to produce means what type of good should be produced in the economy. Okay. Here AB is our PPC. So these are the points that where we can produce. Okay. These are the points. If we are taking any point inside the PPC, then this we call underutilization of resources, because we are saying that PPC shows the combination of goods which can be produced with the help of given resources. It means this AB curve shows that the resources we have, this much resources and technology is constant. Okay. So if we are producing inside, then our resources are underutilized. Okay. And if we are taking any point outside the line, then it is overutilization of resources, or we can say that these are unattainable points. We cannot attain these points. So what to produce means what good are to be produced in the economy. This is the main problem that we discussed earlier. So for example, there are two goods, wheat and apple. Okay, wheat and apple. On O-axis we taken wheat. On OY-axis we taken apple. Okay, OY-axis. So OC shows the production of apple and OD shows the production of wheat. Okay. Firstly, we are taking these points of production, but if we want to produce more of wheat, then we have to reduce the production of apple, and here our production of wheat will increase by OZ point. Okay. Take this is F M. Any point you can take A, B, C, D, something. Point. Main you have to understand this diagram. That this is our AB PPC line. AB is PPC production possibility line. This line shows that point on line shows the efficient and full utilization of resources and technology. Okay. For example, if we are taking two goods, wheat and apple, we are producing firstly OC point of apple and OD of wheat. And if we want to increase the production of wheat, then OC will be our production. It increasing and it will decrease from OC to OE. Okay. The next problem is how to produce. How to produce means what we have studied, that what technologies should be used in the production. There are two technologies which are labor intensive technique and capital intensive technique. Okay. So PPC and how to produce. How to produce means what technique are to be used. We have two technique, labor intensive technique and capital. Here is AB is our PPC. Okay. Now if we talk about the less developed countries, that they are using labor intensive technique, or we can say that in olden time labor intensive technique was more famous compared to capital intensive technique. In India also, as India is a developing country and day by day it is adopting capital intensive technique. So if a country goes from traditional technique to modern technique, we can say the capital intensive technique, then the AB will increase. Okay. The whole PPC curve outwards. If technique is modern technique is adopting, and by that technique our production is increasing. Okay, you can see in this diagram on o-axis we taken wheat and on OY axis we taken apple. Okay, firstly we are producing AB, OB and OA. Okay, AB is our PPC. But due to adopting of modern technique, we can say the using of capital intensive technique, this PPC curve shift from AB to EF. Okay, then this is the growth of technology and this is the increasing production. Okay, increasing production of the goods. Because of technology, both goods production is increasing. Okay, both good production is increasing. The next problem is for whom to produce. Means there are two sections in the country or we can say in society. The poor section and the rich section. Okay, for whom to produce. For whom to produce. So, AB is the PPC. Okay. If we talk about that the production will be for the rich section, then there will be more investment and more capital formation. So there will be increase in the production. Okay. If a country will produce more for rich section, then the production of goods will increase. Okay, production क्या होगा? Increase होएगा. Production will increase. And if a country is producing for the poor section, then there is less investment and there will be less capital formation and there will be less production. If a country is producing on this ABPPC, okay, this line, this is PPC, we are showing taking point AB, then there is less production compared to this EF. Okay, in AB, less production compared to EF because here there is distribution of goods is more for the poor section of the society, and EF line shows that there is more production of both the good in a country and there is more distribution for the rich section of the society and more investment, more capital formation, more growth of the GDP. Okay, got it? We have discussed the three problems with the help of the PPC: what to produce, how to produce and for whom to produce. Now we will study the PPC and the growth. Okay, PPC and growth of the country, or we can say growth of GDP. Here this is PPC, AB line is the PPC. If we are saying that a country is producing somewhere here, then this is underutilization of resources, and outside of this line are overutilization of resources. We can say that we cannot attain these points. We have to produce somewhere on these points. Okay. So for the growth of the economy, what a country have to do? That country will make more, that will adopt modern technology, how to adopt skilled labor in the production. For example, take the example of that Skill India Mission program that was started in 2015, I think so, 15 or 16. So, and what was there? That there was that more labor will be prepared, giving them skill education. It means that more people will be there in the population, that they have the knowledge and they are trained in their work. By this, what will happen? The country will be able to employ more skilled labor and then there will be increase in the production. Okay? If we have to adopt more labor, more skilled labor, then there will be increase in the production. Okay. And if we are using unskilled labor, then there will be less production. So, by adopting modern technology, we can increase the production, but no doubt there will be also increase in the unemployment in the country. But by adopting skilled labor, giving them skill education, we can also increase production of goods. Okay, I hope you got the point. Practice the diagram in your notebook and watch the video. Also read from your book. Any doubt, query, you are free to ask. Okay, thank you students.